What's up, guys? My name's Steve Buzogany. I'm Philly's real estate agent. I was born and raised here in Philadelphia. Eventually, as I got older, I started my career in real estate, and I started out actually as an investor flipping houses, and then eventually I got into the actual real estate agent part of the business. As my career as a real estate agent began to grow and blossom into a more of a full-time business, I actually learned unintentionally that I really enjoy teaching. And that passion for teaching has actually led me to become a specialist in first-time home buyers and first-time home sellers. So it's been an absolute joy to be able to work with these groups of people, as most of the time, whenever you do something for the first time, you have no idea what you're doing. So it's been a ton of fun to be able to help people through that very first transaction. So as my career has progressed, I've been doing real estate now for nearly a decade, and it's not really become more of it's been extremely enjoyable to be and fulfilling to be a real estate agent up to this point. And with the people that I've been working with and the people that I've been able to help with their homes, it's been absolutely outstanding. And at this point, it's not really as much about as growing the business as much as it is refining the business and seeing how we can do this job better for everybody. So basically, my goal is whenever I work with a buyer or a seller, the goal is, how can I make this person feel like they are the only client that I have, and that they have 100% undivided attention, and that they get such an outstanding experience. So that's basically the goal with every buyer or seller that I work with. Having said all that, if you're someone who has never bought a home before and you're totally clueless, or if you're someone who needs to sell a home and you are totally clueless, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you out with any questions you have and get rid of that clueless feeling for you.